Bonjour, it's Friday, 18th of July. It's our sixth demo and practical for intermediate level. Gagawa kami ng nitong French dessert called millefeuille mascarpone. In English, it's 1,000 sheets kasi gawa siya sa puff pastry. And it consists of mascarpone cream, inverted puff pastry, fresh raspberries, raspberry jam, and for the base, it's Brittany shortbread. So yesterday, umattend kami ng demo class. Usually takes 3 hours almost for demos. And we have this screen para mas nakikita namin na malapitan yung ginagawa ni chef. In demo class, we have English translator kasi pure French magsalita ang mga chefs. And this is our favorite part, the tastings. Ang sarap, nagustuhan namin. And then, pag uwi, nire-read ko yung notes na na-discuss sa demo class. As much as possible, mapagkasya sa isang page. Bawal din kasi kami magdala ng notebook sa kitchen for safety and hygiene. Make sure na wala ako na-miss out sa na-discuss and highlight ko yung mga important notes like temperature, time. Yun. At maaari naka-summarize lang yung steps, yung instructions. So the next day, here I am, 7 a.m., 30 minutes early. Usually, 1 hour talaga ako early. Pero anyway, so this is the first thing we did, the inverted puff pastry. Inverted kasi yung butter ang nasa outer layer. So yan, ready for baking. Look at that mess. So dapat ito, mga fruits, pantay-pantay, sinusukat. Tawa kami kasi nahuli kami ni chef nag-video pero hindi naman siya nagalit. Okay, fine. So ito na yung baked puff pastry. Nagka-cut kami ng tig-dalawa. Dalawa per person. First layer, ito, pipe na yung raspberry jam. The raspberry jam is ready-made. Hindi na namin siya ginawa from scratch. Dapat pantay yung corners, walang gaps. Kasi medyo strict sila ang mga chef sa grading. So, ganyan, i-spread mo lang using spoon. Pantayin at walang gap. Okay, and then next we pipe the mascarpone cream using piping tip number 8. Same thing, pantay and walang gaps sa corners, making sure lahat meron. The mascarpone cream is very light and sobrang sarap. Meron siyang pastry cream din. Okay, then nilagay ko yung puff pastry. Dapat pantay lahat sa corners, sa sides. And then yan, pipe yung mascarpone cream ulit. Teardrop piping with using the same piping tip number 8. The final layer of puff pastry and then sprinkle some icing sugar for decoration. Okay, time to present. Happy. Say hello to my partner, Zay Zay. So here's my finished product.